Hey guys, it's Wanda from Crazy Days, and today I've been canning every day. We've got something going on, but I wanted to show you a little of what I've canned and what I got, my Walmart haul, my prep items for today, whatever. Let me show you. To start with, I did canned whole figs in quarts. I think I did 12 quarts, and I have 1 pint. I'm excited. We're up to about almost 40 quarts right now. So I'm getting close to my 50. The tree's producing like crazy. This right here is pear sauce. I made 5 pints of pear sauce and 1/2 pint. And in my canner, I've got figs that I had left over that were mushy. I've got 6 half pints candied down, I guess you would say. They're candied. So I've been working all day on figs and pears. It's awesome. We've got a big stash going. My Walmart haul came in, so before I put it up, I thought I'd show you. This is a 6-pack of almond milk. It's unsweetened, original. Danny and I don't use milk for the most part, and this will last us a long time. I only use milk in some of my baked goods and things like cornbread. Very seldom do I even need milk. So this lasts a long time, and this has a shelf life till next April or May, something like that. So this stays on the shelves for a while. When I get down to a 3 or 4 minimum, then I go ahead and get more. Candy, Starlight Mints. We found that we needed to up our stash on things like mints because I took a slight cold last week, and making a hot toddy like you saw at the beginning, I needed peppermint. So I was using peppermint sticks that were on my Christmas tree. They were still wrapped, but I was using the candy canes and making my hot toddies, and so that was part of adding these mints to my stash. I was also adding some aspirin, a couple of baby aspirin to it, just to give it for the pain relief part of it. So I ordered in more of these. And plus, any heart condition or heart problems, you can take a low dose aspirin. So I'm adding 2 more just because. Iodized salt, you can never have too much iodized salt, so I ordered 4 more, and these are sea salt. So I ordered 4 more of those to replenish, because over about a year's period, that's probably what I use. So this is some of this is about over a year, yeah. Organic popcorn, y'all. We eat popcorn quite often at the cabin, and we love having popcorn, but this has so many more, I guess, things you can do with it. You can take and grind this popcorn and make flour out of it. So Danny and I thought, while we can still get a lot of popcorn, let's start stashing it in these containers that will last for a while. And I'm not sure on the shelf life exactly of popcorn, but it's pretty long, guys. You can store popcorn for several years, and like I said, make flour and use it in all kinds of products if you need to. Mayonnaise is something that we don't use a lot of, but I didn't have a big stash of mayonnaise, and Danny has started eating his carrot salad, and it takes a spoonful of mayonnaise about twice a week when I make carrot salad, and it calls for raisins. And so I ordered up a supply of raisins, and raisins have a long shelf life. Lemon juice goes in my hot toddies. I've been using it in my toddies. And I had went to the grocery store and showed you I did a haul getting some lemon juice for stuff. But all this takes lemon juice. All of it. And we've got 2 trees full of pears to go. And a tree half full of figs to go. So guys, it's going to take a lot of that before I'm through. Just saying. You use 2 tablespoons to each quart jar. So that's a lot of lemon juice, y'all. A lot. So as you can see, between all the canned goods and the Walmart haul, and this came to my door, guys. I didn't have to leave my house. I just popped it online, had them send in anything like this you can order online, have it shipped to your house. That's what I'm loving. Didn't cost me a dime. Free shipping after like 35 bucks. And yeah, I got 35 bucks plus. I have more stuff coming. I just went on a haul for the year, I guess you would say. Most of this stuff will last me several months. So I hope you enjoyed my grocery haul and my canned goods. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.